What's going on, you guys? Biker Dave here with another little easy one. If you have a GM car, truck, SUV, and it has a leather electric seats with the powered lumbar support, which would be, an inflatable system right through here. When you, change the settings, it would raise or lower this region to give you some lower back support. And this could be for both driver or passenger seat. We noticed now this is a 2008 model here, so like with any older vehicle, once the owner sets the seats the way they like them, they probably don't touch the buttons, aside from maybe the seat heater, very often. And we noticed that initially when touching the lumbar button, we would just hear a slight click, meaning it was energizing but nothing was happening. So all we did was keep working with the button, just keep working it back and forth, and the contacts obviously cleared off, and then started working. Okay, so you may want to try that. Just jiggle the button back and forth, on and off, many times, and you very well might solve the issue. Simple as that. And like I said, this could affect many different vehicles, but this happens to be a 2008 Hummer H3 Alpha. And we'll be doing all kinds of videos on this vehicle, little updates and improvements and general troubleshooting and fixes and whatnot. So be on the lookout for those. We'll have a playlist on our channel that you can check it out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and get notified whenever we post a new video. And we have all kinds of other stuff on our channel as well that you might like. So check it all out. Biker Dave here. We are in East Cobb, Marietta, Georgia. And make sure you Google Horsepower House. We're all over the internet with all kinds of cool stuff. That's it. Y'all have a good day. We'll see you.